Sanibona sabonani yasilapho sahlezi namawupile simkhabela khona lethu ukase for podcast thetalkwithobee and namhlanje sila ku the 5th annual of Miss Community Change and angihambe ngedwa ngihamba noMhle. Let's say hi to noMhle. Hi noMhle.
Hi, and how are you, sir?
I'm good and I say looking good, looking dashing, makeup on, the nails done. Sorry but fitting ngambona into the gowns so mina uthi change ayabona as a computer you know most. So tell us namhlanje ukuthi what can we expect from you?
Well, a show, definitely a show, and for you to have fun, for the audience to be mesmerized. Yes.
Mesmerized, that's the word, underline it. So in terms of like wena ngokwakho masithi noMhle, what kind of a person are we talking about? Umuntu njani?
I think me entering Mr. and Miss Community Changer explains my personality. I'm all about helping other people. I'm all about changing people's lives. Yeah, so a kind person. I see good in everyone, and I also believe in second chances.
Also believe in second chances. Namhlanje njengoba sizelana sizonisupport sizonibukela nonke, what kind of a queen do you think deserve this crown?
A person that is determined. But firstly, I think just look at them, all beautiful, and I think everyone that is here deserves a spot, deserves to be a queen. So I think someone who's determined, someone who wants to see the youth changing, because in a lot of communities, obviously the youth is filled there, you know. Yes, someone who wants to see the better in someone else's life.
Perfect. Thank you so much, and we wish you all the best. Singakuthola kuphi ku social media, Facebook and Instagram?
Honestly, I'm 15 years old and I'm focusing on starting social media platforms again. Firstly, they didn't understand why a 15-year-old can have Facebook or Instagram, but now they know the importance of it. So, corner, get the banals on.
Oh, okay. Wow, I love the strictness of your family. Thank you so much, and guys, please tune in and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button.